guys, tonight I'm going to demonstrate how I pickle green beans. I've done a previous video about how I freeze them for storage because this time of year there's loads of them. I'll link the video for freezing them into the description, or one of the comments or the description, one of the two. So first of all, I've soaked these overnight in salt water, then dry them off in a tea towel. Then for the brine mixture, I did two parts vinegar to 1.1 part water. So in this case, I'm using a 400 milliliter jar. So I've used 200 milliliters of vinegar to 100 milliliters of water. Any vinegar is fine. I use malt because I like strong vinegar. Then I've already measured this out. So then pop that into the pot to boil. Oh, it's more to dissolve the sugar. So any kind of sugar again, I'm using Demerara brown sugar. So put a teaspoon into that, just to add some sweetness to it. And boil that up to melt the sugar. And for me personally, I'm going to add some chili flakes, but it's entirely up to you. You can add any kind of spices that you like, garlic, anything like that. I quite like things spicy, so I'm going to add them in for a bit of a kick. So while I'm waiting for that to boil, I'll stick the prepared beans into the jar. Probably going to have too many beans, but let's see. So fill it to just off the top. Do that a stir. So once that's het up and all the sugar's dissolved, get the brine, put it into a jug, and then while it's still a bit warm, put it into the beans. Just about right for a 400 ml jar. Just make sure all the beans inside into the brine. And while the brine's still hot, pop the lid on. And the hot water helps to seal the lid. So leave that for 3 to 4 weeks to mature, and then it'll be nicely pickled and good to go.